Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a brand new sound from our phase 3 phonic sounds, and it's the letter V. It makes the sound V. Can you make that sound? V, V, V. Well done. Here are some things I found in my house that have a V sound. This is a V, vet. Can you say that? V, V, vet. Here is a van. V, V, van. V, V, van. Here's a vase. V, V, vase. V, V, vase. Can you think of any words that have a V sound? When we write the sound V, we go down the wing and up a wing. Let's try again. Down the wing, up the wing. Okay everybody, it's time to do some reading. Now, I would like you to remember to use your robot arms when you're chopping up the words and have a go at recognising the sounds that we have learnt and that we have been learning. So let's have a look at the first one. Ready? Et. Let's blend it together. Vet. Well done. Let's try that one again. Et. Vet. Well done. Have a go at this one. Van. Try it one more time. Van. Well done. This one is a bit tricky because it has two V sounds in it. Are you ready? V, V, et. V, V, et. Now when we're blending this one, I want to split it up into two bits. Let's do this bit first. Vel. Let's do the next one, ready? Et. Vet. We'll put it together. Vel, vet. Velvet. Velvet is a type of material. It's really, really nice, very smooth. And one last one. It's a tricky one. Ready? Have a go. It. It. Visit. 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 When someone comes to see you, or you go to visit something, like when you went to visit the Postal Museum. Visit. Good reading, everyone. Well done. Now it's your turn at home to have a go at writing one of these words. You could choose van, vet, visit, velvet, or even another word that you know that starts or has a V sound in it. You could even try writing it in a sentence. Good luck. Good job, everybody. Now I wonder who wrote a word. I wonder what word you wrote. Maybe it was vet or van. Maybe you tried velvet. I had a go at doing the challenge, which was to write a sentence using one of those words. Did you have a go at the challenge? The sentence that I wrote was, I went in a van. I went in a van. Well done if you also did the challenge. Very proud of you. Tune in for another sound that we're going to learn next time. Bye.